So this video is page 32, question 2, the Toyota Corolla car. Yeah. So in this question, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing a lot of kind of boxes of construction boxes, and we're going to be measuring in our 5mm then and joining them to get our little shape of the car. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the bottom part of it here, then I'm going to do my wheels. So my bottom part is 20mm high, and the whole thing is 240 from here to here, 240mm long. Okay, then it steps out another 5mm and another 5mm on each side. So nice and lightly, I'm going to draw a line at the bottom of my page. Okay, so on that line now, anywhere on that line, I'm going to measure 240mm, and I'm going to step 5mm each side of that as well. So 245 there, and now step back 5mm here. That's for this top point and this top point. So I'm going to bring these outside points, my 250mm, let's say. So bring that outside mark and bring this outside mark. I'm going to bring them straight up, and I'm going to mark a distance of 20mm, the height of it, and I'm going to bring it straight across then as well. So I know that they're the exact same heights. So where this point is here and this point over here, I'm going to join back to my lower points. So join these back, it creates that little bit of an angle for us. Okay? So we join that back, and we join that back. Okay? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the wheels. So the wheels are 55mm in from the corner here. So 55, and it's 55 in from this side. It's not. It's 14 from this side. So be careful now to check the drawings. It's actually 14 from the front. So 40. Okay. I'm going to draw in a line nice and light. So I know my center line of my wheel is along that line somewhere now. And it's 8mm up from the bottom with a radius of 18. So from the bottom here, you're going to measure up 8mm, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is there. 8 over here. And then we're going to get our compass. So remember now what a radius is. Okay? So a radius is from the center of the circle, straight line out to one of the sides of the circle. So radius of a circle is straight line through the center to one side. The diameter is a straight line through the center from one side of the circle through the center and straight onto the next side. Okay? So we need the radius to draw a circle. So we're going to set 18 on our compasses. So that's my 18 set there. That's the first wheel. And that's our second wheel. Okay. Next thing now I'm going to draw is our top portion of the car here. Okay, so it comes straight up from our bottom marks, straight up there, and it comes in 5mm, and that's 8mm. So I'm going to deal with the back here first. So it comes straight up from the back. So that's it here. Okay, then it comes in 5mm. So I'm going to mark in 5mm this direction. I'm going to draw straight up. Once again, now the height of it is 20, so I can mark my 20mm on this line, and I can join these back then using my set square. Okay, so that's what I've gotten so far. Okay, I'll do it in my bottom line as well. So that's what I've gotten so far. So the front of the bonnet now comes straight up here as well, and it's a height of 8mm. So it's straight up here from this point, and it's 8mm I'm marking. So that's my 8mm there. Okay, this back corner here goes straight across a distance of 1880, which is 160mm. Should we join this straight across here first? Then we mark our 160mm on it, and from here it gets joined down to our 8, which is over here already marked by us. So we can just join them in. And do a straight bit here for the bonnet. And this bit here is also dark now as well. So now all we have to do is the bits of glass and the bits of angles. So the first one anyway is 20 degrees. So in here is 20 degrees and it goes a height of 25 millimeters. So I'm going to be marking 25 degrees and drawing a line up. Then I'm going to measure my height and come straight across from there. So it's 20 degrees. So I put my compass down, put my protractor down, 0, 0 on the line, the 90 degree mark right on the angle, 0, 10, 20, the 20 degrees, do my mark. Okay, nice and lightly now I'm going to draw that up. And it's a height of 25. So I'm going to measure from this corner, 25 millimeters high, and I'm going to draw a line straight across. So where they intersect, that's the top roof section. So I'm going to darken this in so you see it. So that's that point there. And then it travels along here for a bit. Okay. So from the very front here where the bonnet starts, it's 25 degrees. So I'm going to measure this 25 degrees, draw it up, and then I can just bring across my height line until they intersect. So protractor, exact same, 0, 0 on the line, this 90 degree mark right in the corner of the angle. 25 degrees, which is there. From this point, straight up till I hit that height line, and then I can just darken this bit in here. Okay? So that's the car nearly finished now. We just have one more line. So it's over 80 millimeters and it's 75 degrees. So I'm going to mark over 80 millimeters first, which is here. So that's the corner of the angle. Okay. So what we're going to do is put the protractor down, 0, 0 on the line. It's 75 degrees in here. Okay. So I go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 5, which is here. You can join them to, and that's the question finished.